Build your system the way you want with a Milwaukee Packout customizable worktop, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system. Milwaukee Packout revolutionizes the way you transport, organize, and store your tools on and off the job site. Packout is the first system providing true modularity, allowing you to store and transport boxes, organizers, tool bags, and more in any configuration that works for you. The half-inch marine-grade wood top is a fastener-ready surface that allows easy mounting of common job site materials, vices, chargers, and more. With a 50-pound weight capacity and impact-resistant polymer construction, the customizable worktop is designed to be the most durable. The Milwaukee Packout customizable worktop, part of the industry's most versatile and durable modular storage system.